I'm going to take these Hershey's hearts and turn them into a flower and then put them inside a box. Here I am scoring a piece of cardstock. Next I'm going to cut the corners so that they're tapered so that the box comes together. Now I'm going to fold this piece along the score lines, and then I'm going to glue the corners. Just put glue in each of the corners and bring those corners together to form the box. And now I'm taking a strip and folding it to hold the flower in place. It looks like a ring. I'm going to take 5 Hershey's hearts and place them inside the box. And now I'm adding a window sheet lid. I'm going to do some stamping. I'm going to create some cute little images to put on top of the box. I'm making a bee here. Here I'm going to add some words to my leaf. It says "Be Mine," very appropriate. And then I'm going to use the Be My Valentine punch to punch out all of these images. And now I'm just going to adhere everything together and put them on the top of the box. And just a really fun and simple project using Stampin' Up! Products. I hope you enjoyed this video.